Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the top 15 essential soil amendments for crafting the perfect super soil recipe, tailored to water-only plant cultivation. Whether you're an avid gardener, horticulturist, or someone looking to optimize your plant's growth, these carefully selected amendments are your secret ingredients for nurturing vibrant, thriving plants. From enriching nutrients to soil structure enhancers, each amendment plays a pivotal role in creating a nutrient-rich, balanced, and self-sustaining environment for your plants. If you find this guide valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of these 15 down-to-earth brand soil amendments, each bringing its unique attributes to the forefront of your water-only growing journey. Product links from Amazon will be in the description. Get yours today. All links are affiliate links. Your garden and I will thank you for it. Top 15 down-to-earth brand soil amendments that can be used to create an exceptional super soil recipe for water-only plant cultivation. This approach is particularly popular among indoor horticulturists seeking to nurture robust plants without the need for excessive external inputs. Below are the key soil amendments along with explanations and examples. 1. Bat guano. Bat guano is a potent source of nitrogen, phosphorus, and micronutrients. It promotes vigorous vegetative growth and enhances flower formation. Example: down-to-earth bat guano 931. 2. Fish bone meal. Rich in phosphorus and calcium, fish bone meal aids in root development and overall plant strength. Example: down-to-earth fish bone meal 3160. 3. Blood meal. Blood meal is high in nitrogen, which fuels leafy growth and chlorophyll production. Example: down-to-earth blood meal 1200. 4. Kelp meal. Kelp meal provides a broad spectrum of nutrients, trace minerals, and growth-stimulating hormones. Example: down-to-earth kelp meal 10.12. 5. Rock phosphate. Rock phosphate delivers slow-release phosphorus, crucial for flower and fruit formation. Example: down-to-earth rock phosphate 030. 6. Green sand. Green sand offers potassium and minerals to enhance soil structure, moisture retention, and root health. Example: down-to-earth green sand 000.1. 7. Feather meal. Feather meal is a nitrogen source that aids in steady growth without causing excessive stretching. Example: down-to-earth feather meal 1200. 8. Alfalfa meal. Alfalfa meal contains growth-promoting compounds, trace elements, and proteins that improve overall plant vitality. Example: down-to-earth alfalfa meal 2.50.52.5. 9. Gypsum. Gypsum enhances soil structure by loosening compacted soil and improving water penetration. Example: down-to-earth gypsum 000.2. 10. Oyster shell flour. Oyster shell flour boosts calcium levels, preventing nutrient deficiencies and strengthening cell walls. Example: down-to-earth oyster shell flour 000.4. 11. Azomite. Azomite is a trace mineral product that enriches soil with a wide range of minerals and elements. Example: down-to-earth azomite. 12. Mycorrhizal fungi. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, enhancing nutrient uptake and overall resilience. Example: down-to-earth mycorrhizal blend. 13. Humic acid. Humic acid improves soil structure, water-holding capacity, and nutrient absorption. Example: down-to-earth humic acid 001. 14. Worm castings. Worm castings enrich soil with beneficial microbes, enzymes, and nutrients, promoting a healthy root environment. Example: down-to-earth worm castings. 15. Dolomite lime. Dolomite lime balances pH and provides calcium and magnesium for healthy plant development. Example: down-to-earth dolomite lime. Creating a super soil mix involves combining these amendments in appropriate ratios to achieve a balanced nutrient profile that supports the plant's entire life cycle. The amendments work synergistically to provide a comprehensive range of nutrients, beneficial microorganisms, and soil-enhancing properties. This holistic approach minimizes the need for additional fertilization, making it an efficient and sustainable option for plant cultivation. In conclusion, these 15 down-to-earth brand, and some others, soil amendments stand as a testament to the intricacies of creating a thriving water-only super soil recipe. Each amendment brings its unique qualities to the table, contributing to the overall health, vitality, and resilience of your plants. From nutrient-rich bat guano to pH-balancing dolomite lime, and from growth-promoting kelp meal to soil-structuring gypsum, the synergy of these amendments sets the stage for a flourishing garden. As you embark on your journey of water-only plant cultivation, remember that the right combination of amendments can transform ordinary soil into a haven of growth and nourishment. The intricate dance of nutrients, minerals, and beneficial microorganisms ensures that your plants receive everything they need to flourish without the need for frequent interventions. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights into the world of super soil amendments. If you're ready to embark on this exciting path, armed with knowledge about these 15 essential amendments, your gardening endeavors are bound to be met with success. So, roll up your sleeves, enrich your soil, and witness the magic that unfolds as your plants thrive and flourish in the embrace of this carefully crafted super soil recipe.